First warm up. March. Stand tall with your feet hip wide apart. Begin marching in place, lifting your knees as high as possible. Swing your arm naturally in position to your leg. And lastly, maintain a steady pace and engage your core to keep your balance. Second, cross body toe touch. Stand with your feet slightly wider than your shoulder, wide apart and arms extended out to your side. Bend at the waist, reaching your right hand towards your left foot while keeping your legs straight. Then return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Third, side reach. Stand with your feet shoulder wide apart and knees slightly bent. Next, extend your left arm overhead and lean to your right side, reaching as far as you comfortably can. Keep your core engaged and your hips square. Then switch to the other side. Fourth, arm circles. Stand with your feet shoulder wide apart and extend your arms straight out to your side at shoulder right. Perform a small forward circle with your arms, gradually increasing the circle size. Then, after 10 to 15 seconds, switch to backward circle. For my cardiorespiratory is jumping jacks. Stand upright with feet together and arms at your side. Jump both feet out the wider than shoulder wide position while raising your arms overhead. Quickly jump your feet back together while lowering your arms to your sides. Then repeat continuously at a steady pace. For my muscular fitness is squats. Stand with your feet shoulder wide apart and toes slightly pointed outward. Lower your body by bending at your hips and knees as if sitting back into a chair. Keep your chest lifted, back straight, and knees aligned over your toes. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the floor or as low as you can comfortably go. And lastly, push through your heels to return to the starting position. And for my flexibility is overhead stretch. Stand tall with your feet shoulder wide apart. Then interlock your fingers and raise your arms overhead. Reach upwards, lengthening through your spine and hold the stretch for 10 to 15 seconds. And for my neuromotor is heel to toe walking. Stand tall and step forward with your right foot, placing your heel down first. Slowly roll forward onto your toes, then step with your left foot, placing the heel in front of the toes of your right foot. Continue walking in a straight line or curved line, heel to toe, maintaining balance and control. Cool down. Oblique stretch. Stand all with feet shoulder wide apart. Place your right hand on your hip and extend your left arm overhead. Slowly lean to your right side, feeling the stretch along your left oblique. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds, then return to the starting position. Then repeat on the opposite side. Second is arm stretch. Extend your right arm across your chest. Use your left hand to gently press your right arm closer to your chest. Then hold for 10 to 15 seconds, then switch arms. Third is neck stretch. Sit or stand with your back straight. Gently tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds, then repeat on the left side. For a deeper stretch, place your hand on the side of your head and apply gentle pressure. And lastly, for my cool down is puggy stretch. Stand with your feet hip wide apart. Hinge forward at the hips, allowing your upper body to hang toward. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed and relax your neck and shoulder. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then slowly roll up to standing.